I got the bright idea to build my daughter a mud kitchen outside on our porch. I'll show you what the porch and everything looks like in just a second. But these are some of the ideas that I'm thinking. This should be a relatively easy project because I'm thinking of doing it a little bit differently so it's easier because we already have kind of a blueprint outside. I'll show you all this in just a second. However, yesterday we went to the thrift store and we picked out some fun little kitchen supplies to have. I'll give you a haul when I set everything up. And then we went to the hardware store because we needed some wood. So we got like a plank of wood at the hardware store and some metal shelf holders, I guess. So today's project is cutting the piece of wood in half and of course securing it outside. Now I'll show you what we're working with. I'm thinking either there, we already have these wood things, right? We're going to screw it into those, make like a shelf basically. So we could either do it there, on this one over here. I'm thinking there. However, over there might be fun too because it's kind of like a cozy little corner. We'll figure it out. Okay, here it is. You like it so far? Uh-huh. She has some little pots that she can play with. This cool wooden bowl. Some spoons. Water. So she can fill it up. This little thing, she can put whatever she wants in it. I put some rose petals in it, as you just saw. A little cup. A roller. And this basket for all of her little utensils. Okay, we officially finished, I think. We added a couple things. We added the sink so she can turn this on. How fun, right? And then we added these little burners. We got a bunch of food for her. Is it hot? Is it hot? Oh my. And we added just a few little bits and bobs, like a little paintbrush if she wanted to, or this little shampoo thing. So, oh, and we got a couple of plates. But that's it. I think it turned out so cute. And she loves it already. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna end this video, go play outside and enjoy the nice sunny weather we're having here. But we are doing a lot to that outdoor area, so be sure to stick around because we'll be doing some more videos about improving that space. Like and subscribe if you like this or thought it was useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!